Hello, I am here to help you download sound effects to use on Windows Movie Maker or any other movie maker or anything else you pretty much use. Yeah. Anyway, click Internet Explorer. Then, in your search bar, click the in your search bar, as shown above, type in findsounds.com. F-I-N-D no space sounds.com. S-O-U-N-D.com. Yeah, findsounds.com. Like, that's what you're really doing anyway, find sounds. So, yeah, I'm about to show you here, find, just in case you're a sucky speller. So you can see here. Yeah, here we go, findsounds.com. Yeah. Okay, now, then this page will show up. Then go in the search bar, right in the middle of the screen, and search any sound you want. We'll use the sound gun, for example. Then a page will come up with a lot of different sounds for gun. Then you can choose any sound, for example. We'll use this third one right here that has a really long part. You'll see this little button here, and it's like right there, that circle thing you just come down. After you have listened to it, then you can right click on the sound, which looks like a microphone, and click Save Target As. Not save link, save target. Then save it, whatever name you would like to save it. I'm naming it Shots, because it sounds like gunshots. So then you save it, go to Windows Movie Maker, or any other movie creator you use, and click Audio and Music, and open up the sound you have just downloaded, unless you want to do it later, but I don't know why. So yeah, okay, sorry, who am I? Oh my god, sorry, okay. Open it up. Hold on, I gotta save it again. I didn't really save it. Okay, now it's saved. Then you're in Windows Movie Maker, click Audio or Music, and open it up. It should also have .wave at the end of it, like shots.wave, because it's a wave. Now that you've listened to the sound, and then you can move it anywhere you want in the Windows Movie Maker. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, remember, it is at findsounds.com. Yeah. Thank you, and thank you. Yeah, thanks. Okay. Yeah. No, get lost. No, I'm just kidding. Bye. No, seriously, get lost.